girl. She was panting and drooling. She's a bit frightened of it. Good girl. Today. Good girl, don't be frightened. So she's moved her head because it's coming round. Oh no, it's not going to hurt you. The drum stopped. Well, there you go. That's it. That's it. Won't hurt you, will it? Oh, beautiful girl. Won't hurt you, that's it. Have a look. Look, have a sniff. Look. Don't worry. Yeah, it's not going to hurt you. Stop all that drooling. Oh, good. Good girl. Yeah. Down. Down. Oh, clever girl. Always do positive association because it's new to them and they're frightened. She's frightened of anything new or electric because of her history. Because she didn't have anything electrical around her. She was a kennel bitch. So that was her life. So she was used to fans and being in the gutter frames. Oh, let me, leg's gone dead.